What if a car could make every journey feel like a work of art? Picture this, a sleek, powerful machine wrapped in a color so bold it stops traffic. Welcome to the 2026 Audi A5 Avant in glossy fiery vivid purple with gold accents, a luxury wagon that's rewriting the rules of style and performance. Is this the ultimate blend of practicality and passion? Stay tuned to find out, and smash that subscribe button for more automotive excitement. Hey, car lovers! Welcome back to New Car, where we dive into the world's most thrilling vehicles. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Audi A5 Avant, a sleek and versatile wagon that replaces the A4 with a bold new look, cutting-edge tech, and a jaw-dropping glossy fiery vivid purple paint with gold accents. Built on Audi's premium platform combustion PPC, this A5 is ready to take on rivals like the BMW 3 Series Touring and Mercedes C-Class Estate. Let's see why it's stealing the spotlight. The 2026 A5 Avant is a showstopper. The glossy fiery vivid purple paint, a bespoke, ultra-rare finish, pops with a deep, iridescent glow that shifts from royal purple to fiery magenta under different lights. Paired with gold accents on the single-frame grille, 19-inch aero-optimized wheels, and side trim, it's a bold yet sophisticated look that screams exclusivity. The gold details add a luxurious edge, making this wagon feel like a custom creation straight from Audi's design studio. This redesign brings a sharper, more aggressive stance. The front end features slim matrix LED headlights with customizable light signatures, connected by a sleek chrome strip across the grille. The Avant's fastback-inspired roofline and sculpted rear diffuser give it a sporty yet practical silhouette, with a 0.29 drag coefficient for better efficiency. At 4.83 meters long with a 2.91 meter wheelbase, it's slightly larger than the outgoing A4, offering more cargo space without sacrificing agility. The optional S-Line package adds sportier bumpers and side sills, but this purple angled combo is the real head-turner, perfect for city cruises or countryside escapes. Step inside, and the A5 Avant's cabin feels like a futuristic lounge. The 2026 model introduces a triple-screen setup, an 11.9-inch digital driver display, a 14.5-inch central touchscreen, and a 10.9-inch passenger display, all running Audi's new MMI panorama system with Android Auto-based software. It's crisp, customizable, and supports over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a voice assistant that responds to natural speech. Physical toggles for climate controls and a slim console keep things driver-friendly. The interior is wrapped in premium materials, with standard Dina mica microfiber or optional Napa leather in black or Merlot red, accented by gold-tinted trim to match the exterior. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and adjustable in 18 ways, with optional massage functions for long drives. Rear legroom is generous at 37 inches, and the Avant's 17.7 cubic foot cargo area expands to 52.3 cubic feet with the 40/20/40 split rear seats folded, perfect for gear-heavy trips. A Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system with 16 speakers delivers immersive audio, and a panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light. Safety is top-notch, with standard Audi presense, automatic emergency braking, lane-keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, and optional features like a 360-degree camera, park assist, and Level 2+ semi-autonomous driving with swarm data for predictive navigation. The cabin's acoustic insulation keeps road noise at bay, making every drive a serene experience. The 2026 A5 Avant offers a range of powertrains, all paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. The base 2.0-liter Turbo 4 delivers 201 horsepower, while the A540 TFSI bumps it to 268 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds. The S5 Avant, the sportiest trim, uses a 3.0-liter V6 with 362 horsepower, sprinting to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. All models feature mild hybrid tech for smoother starts and up to 30 miles per gallon combined on the base model. Quattro all-wheel drive is standard on higher trims, with a front-wheel drive option for the base model to maximize efficiency. On the road, the A5 Avant feels agile and refined. The adaptive suspension, standard on S5, optional elsewhere, balances comfort and sportiness, soaking up bumps while keeping body roll in check. Rear axle steering, available on higher trims, makes tight turns effortless, and the Quattro system ensures grip on wet or twisty roads. The cabin is remarkably quiet, even at highway speeds, and the steering is precise, making the A5 a joy to drive. While it's not as razor-sharp as the BMW 3 Series, it offers a smoother, more relaxed experience, perfect for long hauls or daily commutes. The 2026 Audi A5 Avant in glossy fiery vivid purple with gold accents is a masterpiece of style, versatility, and performance. With its bold design, tech-packed interior, and dynamic driving experience, it's a compelling alternative to the BMW 3 Series Touring and Mercedes C-Class estate. Starting around $52,000 for the base trim and climbing to $70,000 for the S5, it's a premium wagon that delivers unmatched flair and practicality. What do you think of this purple stunner? Drop a comment below and tell us if this A5 Avant is your dream ride. If you loved this review, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to join New Car for more car reviews, comparisons, and automotive adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.